السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Hello my dear students of القرية الحجازية National Schools Secondary Stage Traveler 4.
4A Grammar. In this video, we'll learn how to express wishes and unreal past. When you wish for something to happen, that means you want it to be true, even though you know that it's impossible to happen. Unreal past, unreal, not real, imaginary past. Now look. God help me, the test is very difficult. I wish I knew the answers. I wish I knew the answers. Now, does he know the answers? No, he doesn't. He only wishes that he knew the answers. I wish I had studied more for the test. Did he study a lot for the test? No, he spent the night playing, and now he wishes he had studied more for the test. Now look, here we use past simple. Knew is the past of know. Here we used past perfect simple. Had plus past participle. Studied is in the past participle. Past participle can be found on page 81. This is what we use, past participle. Now, my question is why past simple here and past perfect simple here? The reason is, in here, we're talking about the present or future. He wishes he knew the answers when? In the past? No, we are using the past, but we are talking about now, the present. He wants to know the answers now so he can write them. So this is called unreal past. Just like in conditional sentences type 2, we use past, but we don't mean the past, we mean now. He wishes he knew the answers. In here, we are talking about the past. He didn't study in the past, but he wishes he had studied. Do you get it? You can use wish, or if only, if you like. You can say, if only I had studied more for the test. You don't use I if you use if only. If only I knew the answers, that gives the same meaning. Now look. If only I could borrow the teacher's brain. Now this is what he wants to do, but can he do this? No, he can't. If only I could borrow, use could, and then a verb, and the verb is in the base form, not borrowed, no, borrow. When you talk about something you want to do, but it's just impossible, you can't do. If only I could borrow the teacher's brain. If only I hadn't spent the night playing. Again, we're talking about the past. He is sorry that he did this in the past. This is exactly like this sentence. The only difference is that this is affirmative and this is negative. The same thing. Past perfect simple, had or hadn't, plus past participle. The last thing, I wish I were very smart. Is he smart? No, he is not. Smart is not a verb. Smart is an adjective. This is why we use the verb be in the past. But why don't we use was? We have I. We use were because he is imagining this. Never use was, even though this is in the present. He wishes he were smart now, but this is only imaginary situation. He is imagining this. just like conditional sentences type 2. Never use was. Always use were with I, he, she, it, you, we, they. If you are imagining the situation, use were. And we're done. Let's practice. Read the following situations and write sentences starting with the words given. You speak very loudly. Your voice is very loud, very high, and I don't like that. Now speak. I don't like. This is present, not past. We should look here. Use wish, use past simple. I wish you spoke without using a loud voice. If you say that, that is correct. Or, I wish you didn't speak very loudly. This is negative. If you want affirmative, you can use spoke. I wish you spoke without using a loud voice. Both are correct. I lied to my sister. When you lie, you don't tell the truth. And that was a mistake. Lied is the past of lie. We're talking about the past. If only, use had plus past participle. I hadn't lied to my sister. I should have visited my aunt when she was in hospital. Now we're talking about the past here. I should have done that in the past. I wish I had visited my aunt when she was in hospital. Afaf doesn't sleep well at night. Doesn't, present simple. Every day she doesn't sleep well at night and she's worried about it. Afaf wishes she slept well at night. Or you can use could if you like. Afaf wishes she could sleep well at night. Brad feels bad because he ate a huge chocolate ice cream. Ate. He did this in the past. Brad wishes he hadn't eaten. He wishes he hadn't eaten a huge chocolate ice cream. I would like to go to the gym 3 times a week, but I just can't. I can't. Something you can't do. If only I could go to the gym 3 times a week. I woke, the past of wake, past, at 9 and went to school an hour late. If only I hadn't woken up at 9. Or, if only, if you want affirmative, you can use, if only I had woken up at 8. Or, earlier. Thank you.